to all of you. I am Ayush Kumar Chaudhary from class 9. I am presenting a speech on child rights. The term child rights means some basic rights that every child of a nation should have. The child rights should be available for children without any religious, racial or any other discrimination. Almost all the countries of the world have become serious for the rights to children. They are making every effort in this step. Indian government has also done very important work in this direction. The most suitable example of it is making primary education compulsory and free for every child. Making child labor a criminal offence is another great work by Indian government. We should also stand in support of child rights. Some fundamental rights of the children under the Constitution are right to education, right to life, right to protection and freedom of expression and right to identity. The United Nations and the government of India have determined the right and policies for children. According to the Commission for Protection of Child Rights Act 2005, child rights include all the rights of children which were accepted by the United Nations Children's Rights Convention on 20 November 1989 and agreed by the Government of India on 11 December 1992. These rights are for saving children from abuses, trafficking and violence and working on their all-round development. Children are that part of society which lacks social knowledge and awareness. Anyone can misuse their innocence and put them in child abuse. They are most vulnerable part of our society. So anyone can destroy their childhood as well as their life completely. The child rights like the right to education, right to expression and right to survive have to build a strong future for them. Child right is important to establish the foundation of a nation. किस गुमनाम अंधेरे में ये भारत तू पनप रहा, जहाँ युवा बल रही है शक्ति, कैसे अंधेरा गहरा रहा। जिन हाथों होना था कलम दवात, वो कैसे ईंट गारों में सन रहा। कैसे मासूम था फरिश्ता, दो वक्त की कमाने निकल रहा। इन कंधों पर बोझ डाल, ये जीवन तू गुजर रहा। जो ममता के आंचल में खिलना था, वो कैसे कीचड़ से लिपट रहा। जिन मासूम की आंखों में कोई सपना भी भूल कर न आए, जिन नन्हों के जीवन में कोई अक्षर ध्यान भी ना छाए, जिनके कोमल बचपन पर बस मजबूरी ही लहराए, ऐसे अभागे बचपन ही बाल श्रमिक कहलाए।